Hey everybody, it's the Ginger Optimist and I love to cook. I love to use my Instant Pot, make DIY projects, all kinds of things. And today I'm going to endeavor to make a chicken burrito bowl. So come on, let's get started. The first thing I'm going to do is cut up my chicken, and I just want to show you this new quick defrosting tray that I got. And today's the first time I've tried it, and I have to say it worked really good. I have the chicken all diced, and now I am going to add black pepper to season it. I'm going to add kosher salt. I'm going to turn on my Instant Pot on saute and add about 1 to 2 tablespoons of grapeseed oil because it handles heat really well. Now I'm going to begin to brown the chicken now that the oil is heated. After you brown the chicken, remove it from the Instant Pot before cooking the onions. I'm going to add a little grapeseed oil more to my pot, and I'm going to add the onions and let them cook up just a little bit for a couple of minutes, maybe 3 or 4. I'm going to add about a tablespoon more of my grapeseed oil. And now I'm going to put in my cup of brown rice. I'm going to add in 2 1/4 cups of chicken broth. One can of rinsed organic black beans, 1 can of fire roasted diced tomatoes. I'm going to add the chicken back into the mixture. I'm setting my Instant Pot manual to 7 minutes. I'm going to mix in my seasonings. It's cumin and chili powder and onion powder and garlic powder and paprika. So I'm going to mix those in. Mix it all together. Gonna put the lid on and let it do its thing. Make sure that your sealing valve is on sealed. The timer's gone off, so now we're going to do a quick release. The pin just dropped down, so let's open this up very carefully and away from your face. So I'm gonna add a few little dices of fresh tomato. Some cilantro. Fresh chopped green onions. An avocado. A dollop of sour cream, or in my case, plain Greek yogurt. It's time for a taste test. Oh, yummy goodness. I'm gonna give this a double thumbs up. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. I would love to connect with you. Thank you so much for watching the Ginger Optimist. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give me a thumbs up. If you're not following me already, I hope you will. Thanks so much. God bless. Bye.